Our pranayama for today is called the Canon breath, and it cleanses and strengthens your parasympathetic nerves and adjusts your digestion. You just sit comfortably with your eyes closed, shoulders and face relaxed, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. In our previous pranayams or breathing exercises, we've also been breathing recently through our nostrils. This time we'll breathe through our mouth. And you might remember that sometimes we end a meditation with a strong Canon breath exhale. And that's through your O-shaped mouth, and it's kind of like a, just a cannon blast out through your mouth. Well, today we're going to sustain a gentle breath of fire, but through the O-shaped mouth. So what we did at the beginning there were through our nostrils, now we're going to do through the O-shaped mouth. It's basically a slow breath of fire, and you're pumping the air out from your navel. And you have the opening of your mouth about the size of a quarter, so it's, it doesn't have to make a whistle sound, I'm just making that sound accidentally. So when you exhale your Canon breath, each time you're pumping your stomach inward, and that contraction of your stomach pushes the air out like a cannonball. Just go ahead and try it now for a few times, practice. The pressure of the breath is in your cheeks and over your tongue, but you don't bulge your cheeks out. It's not like you got it's not like you're blowing your mouth up like a balloon. It's just your cheeks are kind of firm, but the breath does go you get that pressure on your cheeks and over your tongue. That looks good. So go ahead and start and focus at your brow point. Change the music here a little bit. Nice calm music actually, but go ahead and just pump the Canon breath at your pace. Focus at your brow point. Now when I do this and focus at my brow point, I often see different color patterns there, and you may do that, you may see those, you may not, it doesn't matter. I'm just mentioning it because this breath in particular seems to bring that out. You just keep going, and if you feel like you need to rest, go ahead and take a rest. It's fine. But just keep that Canon breath pumping, kind of slowly, but moderately powerfully too. Whatever you're comfortable with. Good. Keep going. If you need to take a break, but come back. Focus at your brow point. We're more than halfway done. Excellent. You look excellent. Less than a minute to go. Cleaning and strengthening your parasympathetic nerves. Adjusting moderately your digestion at the same time with the pumping of the navel. Okay, please inhale. And suspend your breath. Exhale completely, and go ahead and keep your eyes closed and just relax into slow, deep breathing on your own pace, and I'll tell you about our meditation.